All right, YouTube, this is my tutorial on how I turn my Glock lettering silver. I'm gonna do silver today. So what I use to clean it is this antiseptic spray. I get it from the dollar store for $1. So you just spray that on. I'm gonna just do this side just to show you how easy it is. So you just clean it real good to get the oils and everything off. Now this paint I got is a metallic silver, and I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. I may do white later. I did some other ones, but I want to make this video to show you how you do it from start to finish. So I got the metallic paint, and I use Q-tips to apply it. So I'm gonna do the Glock emblem, the 19 Gen 5, the Austria, and the 9x19. Hopefully y'all be able to see it. So I just dip it out the cap, because you don't need much. And then you apply it in there, but you just apply it in there a thin layer, because you just want to get it into the letters and numbers. And the more directions you go, the quicker it feels, the lettering and the numbers. So let me just show y'all how it's going. I don't know if y'all can see it. So that's how it looks so far. Gotta move quicker. So I put such a thin layer that I just keep rubbing it until it's slowly, like the thinner it gets, the more you can feel it basically drying. And eventually it's pretty much dry. Now, my antiseptic spray, I don't spray it directly on here. I spray it onto the rag. And the pressure I use is just laying on there, like literally just laying on there. And I just do it a little bit and then move it to a dry portion and just lay it on there, like barely letting it go. And as you can see, it's slowly coming off. The regular alcohol works great, but I found out that it's kind of strong, but maybe it's just mine because I have like 70%. And I rather keep spraying this mist and barely doing it than to take it all up. Hopefully that makes plenty sense to you. And as you can see, it's slowly coming off, and it's filled in. Literally just that fast. And the key is just to keep repeating this process. It's $1. So it's not a big deal. You just keep repeating this process until you get it, all the residual paint off. Now, people on here have a lot of videos on how to do this process, and they're all good. And I even watched one to figure out how to do it myself. I just decided to make one because all the ones I seen were extremely old. And maybe now somebody will see mine and realize that it still can be done in the same way. Now let me give you another look at it. I hope y'all can see that. It's almost off. And it didn't take me an awful long time to do this. Now the instructions on this paint bottle or tube says leave it there for about 24 to 72 hours. And this weekend in Texas, weather isn't that great, so I'll be home. But even still, I got some I can carry if I do have to go somewhere. So I'm not really pressed about that. I did my 43X in white. It looks great. I just wanted to try this silver. And so far, it's looking great as well. Now, let me see. Now, I will admit that one part got a little too dry. And when it get too dry, you can use alcohol, but I prefer not to, because it's just, like I said, mine is 70%. So let me see. Oh, y'all might like this. This oh, I'm using the side, ain't got no antiseptic spray on it. And there you go. I hope it's coming up good, because I don't have a high-speed computer stand or nothing like that, no sponsors. So I'm just a novice. Let me get that little piece. Oh, let me get that little, I done used the one with the paint on it. Let me get that little dot that's over top of that 9 of the 19. But you don't have to press hard at all. Like, you literally, that must actually be a defect, or not a defect, but oh no, I got it just a second. But there it is. It looks good. Now, I only do, so far on the other ones, I only do that part and this other side. I do the barrel as well, but it's a little smaller. It just takes more time. I just wanted to show y'all how I do the slide in this side with the Glock emblem and the Gen 5. Thanks for watching. I ain't got no followers. Click the like if you like it, and y'all be safe out there.